G'day. Welcome to ETF Insights Australia, your new home for learning about Australian ETFs explained in an easy-to-understand way. If you want to grow your money and understand investing, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more easy Aussie finance tips. Ever wondered how you can invest in a whole bunch of Aussie companies, property, or even gold without needing a fortune or a finance degree? That's where ETFs come in. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. Think of it as a basket you can buy on the Australian Securities Exchange, just like buying a share. But instead of holding one company, your ETF basket holds a mix of investments, Aussie shares, bonds, even sectors like mining or financials. With just one purchase, you get a slice of heaps of companies. For example, the iShares S&P ASX 200 ETF gives you exposure to Australia's 200 biggest companies, banks, miners, supermarkets, you name it. Why choose ETFs? Here's why Aussies love them. Diversification. Spread your risk across many investments, not just one. Low cost. Fees are usually much lower than managed funds. Easy to buy and sell. Trade them on the ASX like any share, with as little as $500 to start. Transparency. You can see exactly what's in your ETF basket. Flexibility. Want Aussie shares, global tech, or even gold? There's an ETF for that. Quick heads up, when you buy an ETF, you own units in the fund, not the actual companies or gold bars. The ETF provider manages the basket for you. And remember, all investing carries risk, so always do your own research. This channel is for education only, not financial advice. Always talk to a licensed advisor if you're unsure. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more Aussie ETF guides. See you next time.